What's going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. I recently decided to upgrade my ultimate aesthetic gaming PC to make it look and perform even better than before with a GPU upgrade and a RAM upgrade. So without further ado, let's get into it. What exactly am I doing? I decided to swap out my 4070 Super to my older ROG Strix 3090 graphics card. This will not only look better than the 4070 for this build due to the all-white design, it will also double my VRAM from 12GB to 24GB. Let's get started. First up, I had to remove the panels from the Fractal North XL case and begin the disassembly process. Before I go ahead and install the 3090 and 64GB of Kingston Fury RAM. I was running only 32GB of RAM in this build, so double the RAM and double the VRAM is what this upgrade will be offering me. Let's get started with the upgrade and see how it turns out. This is looking so good. I'm using the LG C3 OLED TV as my monitor, so the additional VRAM should help with 4K gaming and video editing. Although truthfully, I mainly wanted the two HDMI ports that the 3090 offers so I can connect my PC to both my monitor and the 75-inch Hisense TV in my living room. Now this build feels complete, and it's the most beautiful custom PC I've ever built. I did a full video on this build a few months ago, and you can check that out if you want to learn more about this PC. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content. Have a great day, everyone.